All right, on my way out to Destin, about to lace the CBD shop, front room, back room, the whole store, floor to ceiling. Luckily I got some friends and fam coming out to help, and we're about to lace this bitch in a week. Let's do it. We just made it to the CBD shop. We got Pops, Justin, Lincoln's lady. So we got a little sketch going on the mural over here. Kind of get a little cavey with it back here, and that's the scene right now. Cole, get your ass here so you can do this shit. So now I'm laying down the outline, and my mind really starts to wander here, and I just start having fun with it. And this is gonna lay the groundwork and foundation for what the whole piece will become. Now we're setting up a face cabinet. So right now I'm gonna make some eyes, a couple sets of these eyes, put little stands on the back of them so we can stand up in here. See, what we're learning as we're going here. So we got our eyebrow pattern cut out and our eye pattern cut out, and cut these babies out of wood. Let's go.
Beginning of the nose.
Alright guys, so we're starting to install some wood now. Basically I put a bunch of boards up like this. I outlined the shape that I want to cut out, so that way we change the shape of the door a little bit. Now that I have it drawn up, now I'm going to take it down, cut it out, sand it, paint it, put it back up. Eli's out back right now sanding the nose that my Pops put together. Look at this shit. We got E-Baby over here. This is going to be the nose for the bookshelf face. Pops do this thing together, looks pretty fucking nice. Now we gotta sand it all down, putty all these little cracks, make it look nice and clean. So I have about a week planned out to do this piece, and it's gonna be insane to get it done in this amount of time. So we're probably gonna have to pull some all-nighters to pull this baby off. Now we're tracing out the patterns that we just cut onto a piece of wood. That way, I'm cutting this line. I made it too small the first time. So I'm gonna make this eye a little bit different shape than the other eye, but I'm gonna outline this one so I know the size it is. I'm gonna make this one a little bit squintier. All right, now it's time to bust out the jigsaw. Start cutting this baby out. We got an eye. Now we're gonna start cutting out the eyebrow and the other eye and the other eyebrow.
Whoa! Fuck, that looks so cool.
Cabinet area that's going to be made into this space. Some leaves, some flowers and stuff around the window. This little staircase over here. This cat and his foot over here on this wall. And then this is the opening doorway that goes back into this whole cave area. It's gonna be the background. Bastard Foolage. I'm over here sanding on these eyebrows and eyes that we cut out earlier with Eli. We've done a lot of sanding so far. This thing is talking shit now. So much sanding. Only thing is it can't get wet. Here at the Home Depot, picking up some MDF board. Just got a bottle of this dank pigment they don't sell, damaged out. Dude hooked it up. This is that good stuff right here. Raw, uncut, pure. And we're gonna make some more cutouts for this installation.
Eli trying to open up these batteries. So that.
Pure, uncut, pure disco, baby.
Oh, you got one?
Oh, you got one. Here you go.
Fuck yeah, this is my dog. Really wish I'd have cut my nails before this trip.
Ugh.
God damn it, hair my nails get this length. So day 2, I have a lot of woodwork planned out, so I'm going to be cutting tons of wood today. And more wood. And then sanding wood. And then painting and prepping wood. So right now I'm cutting out more wood, and then we got Eli over here and he's gonna be sanding the wood. Eli's sanding a flower right now. Alright, so now I've cut out the outside edge. Now I'm gonna we'll drill little holes into the holes that are in the center of the wood. That way I can get the saw in there and cut them out. Culture.
Take it off.
So we just got done hanging up the doorway pieces of the plywood. Now we're ready to move on to hang up some more plywood over here in the hallway. Let's get this nice multiple pieces cut together. No slices. We're not slicing your head tonight, baby. Get a big wooden nose. Is this shooting 4K, dude?
Yeah.
Bullshit. So we just left Home Depot. We're heading back right now. We're gonna hang a bunch more wood and fill and prime and paint a bunch of stuff tonight because we only have really less than 1 day left, and there's so much stuff to do that I don't know how we're gonna do it, but we have to stay really focused here, which is hard for me. So just like pray all you can, all your little thoughts and your little dreams in your head, that we finish this thing on time, because it doesn't look like we're going to right now. So at about this part of the process is where an owner might typically walk in to check in on me and see everything in total disarray and probably start freaking out because everything's like half done and there's little pieces of wood and paint everywhere scattered all over the place. Dude, when Eli and my pops work on something for a while, make sure you get me coming in afterwards and doing a little bit on it and recording that, so it looks like
You were doing it?
yeah,
the whole time?
Or me coming back.
I got you. I don't know how we're gonna finish this fucking thing. We just got pretty much all the wood cutouts done, sanded, now we're priming them, hanging them up. We have the entire place to paint by tomorrow. It's looking really, really sketchy right now. I think we might be able to make it, but it's looking pretty doubtful. Get nervous, all right? I'm trying to build up some excitement here.
Run that shit, motherfucker.
Right now, we're starting off day 2 of the installation here at the CBD spot, but we're also going to do stuff that gets you high. And right now we're putting up some wood cutouts, the ones that we've been prepping, sanding forever. They're going to go up here around the window. So right now we're kind of marking them off, then we're going to take them back off the wall. I'm going to paint the other side of it so you can see it from the outside, and then put them back up, and then paint the other side. The nose is in the face now. See the head kind of coming alive. We're painting these like glasses right here. And I'm back after a solid nap. Spent all night painting mostly background of this whole cave scene. We got all the stalactite drippy things installed going across this wall here. This snake, and you can't see him yet, but he's unpainted, weaving through the scene. We got him as a little wood cutout jumping over this little hallway arch. So all we got left to do is paint all this stuff in here. Everything's ready to be painted now, and then we got to go clean up the floor and paint the floor. So here we are, last day. Nothing's done yet. We got like 5 minutes left. Eli had to leave. Cole's about to go. My pops is hanging out, so that means I'm gonna have to play photographer, videographer, and finish this. They were literally like minutes to spare, so I'm stressed out right now. We got about 15 minutes left to finish up doing this whole entire painting in here and paint the floors. It's coming along pretty nicely. With the cave scene going, the whole cave room. Getting real cavey, a little mystical. Pop over here going hard on the fucking, hard in the paint. Drip drop, slime wall. I'm going to clear coat these eyes and eyebrows, and then I'm probably gonna take a nap and then come back here and paint because we only have like about 3 minutes left. It's like 6:30 a.m. I'm working on the CBD store. I have Cole, Eli, and my pops here with me. They all left hours ago. So really today's like the last day and there's like 3 days of work to do. Seabass will be alright, okay? Don't listen to the bullshit. Don't listen to any of these voices that you're like hallucinating and hearing right now. Good morning. How are you? Blah. So, working on the cabinet right now. Cave area is almost done. Hey, Sebastian Coolidge here. We're like probably a total of 3 hours into the total piece, build out, painting everything. We got about 4.5 minutes left to finish, so fuck, dude, it's like really stressful right now. And so hopefully I pull this thing off. Alright, let's do this shit. Alright, so I'm starting the floor painting. It's coming along nicely. About 10 seconds left, so I'm really stressing it right now because I don't know if we're gonna be able to get this done or not. You guys feel that anxiety and stress? You should by now. Alright, let's go. Oh my God. just got done right at the nick of time. We gotta leave like right now, so glad we got it done. And it turned out pretty nice. I mean, come on, this is decent. It's fun. We got the cave area in the back here. I mean, we got, you know, a foot and a cat. Who could want more than that? You know, we turned the cabinet into this whole like head Pee-wee's Playhouse looking thing. Eye under the stairs, what's he doing there? I'm feeling it. And that's it.